Cognex makes machine vision systems and software that's used in automated scenarios like manufacturing, for example, to do inspection, to look for defects, and also do verification of guided assembly. Cognex went live on SAP, I think back in 2017, and we had not upgraded any of our systems back then.
It's important to stay current with SAP, in my opinion, just like any other large piece of software. Certainly it costs money, it costs time, it costs resources, but if you start falling too far behind, you're going to get left in the weeds.
What we went through was a technical upgrade, so I think it's kind of opened the doors and laid the foundation to additional functionality. Group reporting is one thing that we're going to be looking into that would benefit from the upgrade.
The sandbox and mock cutovers made this process easier by giving us a reference system to verify that if a problem arose, was it an upgrade-related problem or was it an already existing problem in 1610?
It allowed us to fine-tune the times for the steps. I'm not sure that we would have been able to get so granular if we had only done this one time.
The testing was critical. It helped us find several issues. The mock cutovers gave us the ability to practice doing the upgrade. It's a non-trivial task to upgrade SAP, and allowing us to have as much practice as possible was essential to the success of the project.
We had no run book going into this. We debated the project plan a number of times, but really as we moved through the project, we finalized and landed on what we felt like was a solid run book for doing an upgrade.
Capgemini has partnered with us throughout the entire SAP project. So Capgemini was the system integrator on site when we decided on SAP.
I definitely feel like on the testing and issue resolution side, Capgemini was a true partner in this initiative.
I don't consider Capgemini Cognex, I consider business applications. And having a partner like Capgemini is very beneficial to me in my role here at Cognex.